Hi, this is Frank Burke with Dinosaur Rocketry, and today I've got out a new improved version of my Aurora Clipper. This is probably my most popular kit over the years. In this particular one, I had to rework it to fit into a smaller shipping box due to postal price increases, and in doing so I shortened the wing a little bit and I had to shorten the length, and while I was doing that I decided to change the body tube diameter to be a little bit smaller, which allowed me to shorten it, move the CG back, and cut the weight by 2 ounces. So now this model only weighs 8.5 ounces ready to fly with nearly the same wing area as the previous version that flew so well. It has a 23-inch wingspan and is 33 inches long, and it uses the 24mm E6 motor. And before I almost drop my transmitter, just running simple Elevon controls with the servos inset into the body tube, so there's nothing on the bottom to catch on, and the rail buttons are offset onto the side. I don't have the final decals on it yet. I just put some simple markings with the cockpit on it, and we're going to give it a couple of flights.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Any better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.